Okay, so we're gonna make a burping video and a chugging video. So we're gonna chug this Dr. Pepper's first, and we're gonna see who can drink it all the way first. And then
They're both closed.
yeah, and then we're gonna see who can burp the loudest. So you're gonna tell us who wins.
Which we all pretty much know Heather's gonna win at burping.
Yeah, burping all wins, but okay, so who first? Okay, hold on. 3, 2, 1, go. Done. Okay. So now we're gonna do burping. Yeah. Oh, that sucks. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Wait. Okay, so now we're gonna put this right in comments. We're gonna comment who you think won at the burping contest and stuff. So yeah, but I think we already know who won. Okay, so yeah.